Today we're going to be looking at sequences and ostinatos. Today we're going to be learning about sequences and ostinatos and how to identify them by looking at them and listening to them. Sequences. A sequence is an exact repetition of a passage of music at a higher or lower level of pitch. What does it look like? Well, you can see there's the original melody. It moves from a C up to a D, it's repeated and moved up a tone. Then it's repeated and moved up again to an E, then repeated again and moved up to an F. This is what's called an ascending sequence. Each repetition of the melody moves up by one note. Take a look at this one. There's original melody. It moves down by a tone. Down one more. And there's your sequence. This is a descending sequence. Each repetition of the melody moves down by one note. Have a look at this. What type of sequence is it? Is it ascending or descending? This is an ascending sequence. Each repetition of the melody moves up by one note. So, we know what they look like. What do they sound like? And that is sequences. Remember, a sequence is an exact repetition of a passage of music at a higher or lower pitch. Ostinato. An ostinato is a short melody or rhythm repeated throughout a piece of music. What does it look like? The bass line in Jaws is an ostinato. Take a look at how it repeats all the way through the music. A lot of pop and rock music use ostinatos in the bass line. Here's an example by Michael Jackson. Just like pop music, you'll find ostinatos in orchestral music. This is a rhythmic ostinato from Mars in the Planet Suite. Take a closer look. So you can see it's a repeated pattern. There's a triplet, two crotchets, two quavers, and a crotchet again. Let's take a listen. Alright, and that's all there is to know about ostinatos and sequences. Thank you.